Now then, we're back again with another quick video on how to locate the heater blower on a Movano Master NV400. On UK models it's located behind the glove box and up to the right. So to get to the cables and connections etc, you have to remove the dash glove box by removing 4 T20 Torx screws along the top. You then need to get underneath it and undo 2 more T20 Torx screws. Then you can just wiggle the glove box out. Once you've removed the glove box, the heater blower and electrical connections are very easy to get to. Also there is the OBD2 port and fuse box, in case you were interested. If you need to remove the heater blower however, you will need to remove a few bits and pieces first. Once you've removed these bits and pieces, you can get to the bolts that are at the top to remove it. Simple, no? And that's it for today. We have Van Life UK Complete Survivor's Guide. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Also, for a full step-by-step dash removal video, please click the link that's on the screen right now. Thank you.